Good morning. This video about how to install Android Bliss on a PC. Like you see, my PC is Lenovo IdeaPad 110. I will start from here. I will restart my device. The second step is to download the Android distribution. First I will enter the password into keyring. It's annoying, but no problem, it's good. Here we went to bliss SourceForge, and then I'll choose download to start. Yeah, download started. Following, I downloaded my file. I start to burn it into the USB flash drive. Here it is. Start. It's starting. Good morning. This video about how to install Android Bliss on a PC. Like you see, my PC is Lenovo IdeaPad 110. I will start from here. I will restart my device. It's now burning the ISO file into the flash drive and continuing. The last one. And I will make sure that USB drive is selected to be the first option to boot. Here it is, Olympus Light, and I will take it up. Okay, change value function F5. Okay, here it is, and F10. I have many options here. Bliss Live means OS or operating system will run live from the flash disk, and I have debug mode. Okay, and then legacy mode, probe mode, and last one here is installation. I will choose Bliss OS 11.11 installation. I will choose the drive, the respective drive. Here it is. I am already installed it, and press OK. We say format, do not format. I will choose FAT 32 or NTFS, New Technology File System. I will choose New Technology File System and we will see what will go on. Do you want to install EFI grab? This for multi-boot system? Yes. And you want to install system directory as read and write? Yes. Expect to write. It's currently processing and writing the data. Yes, it wants to create disk image. I will make it 20 gigabytes number. And here we come to the end of the installation process. Operating system, our Android. Okay, it gives me a message about the USB. I will remove the USB. Okay, and here it is, the operating system. Swipe to unlock. Here I have two choices. I will choose desktop mode. It's a PC in the end. And here I have Android. Okay. I play game, Play Store, and everything else. Thank you.